Hello students, welcome to Learning with Joy. This is the third video for Amanda. In this video, you're going to listen to a quick reading of the question and answers that are at the end of the poem. Question 1. How old do you think Amanda is? How do you know this? Answer. Amanda is a school-going girl who must be about 10 to 12 years old. The things that her mother scolds her for are all typical instructions given to a 10 to 12-year-old girl. Also, the reference to fairy tale characters like the Little Mermaid and Rapunzel lead us to derive that she is a preteen. Question 2. Why are stanzas 2, 4 and 6 given in parentheses? Another word for parentheses is brackets. Answer. Stanzas 2, 4 and 6 are given in parentheses because they are the thoughts of the child in between the instructions that she is being given by her mother, which are given in stanzas 1, 3 and 5. The scolding by the mother and the child's thoughts are placed in alternate stanzas by the poetess. Question 3. Do you know the story of Rapunzel? Why does she want to be Rapunzel? Answer. Rapunzel lived alone in a tall tower and had long beautiful hair. She was held captive by an evil witch who came up the tower by climbing up her long hair. In the story, there is also a prince who comes up in the same way and rescues her. Amanda wants to be Rapunzel because she wants to live alone in a tower as there would be no one around. Life in a tower would be tranquil, peaceful and rare. Thus she would not have to care about anything. However, unlike Rapunzel, Amanda decided that she would never let her hair down for anyone to come up, as she wanted to live alone forever. Question 4. What does the girl yearn for? What does this poem tell you about Amanda? Answer. The girl yearns for solitude and peace. In all the things she dreams of, she wants to stay alone. If she were a mermaid, then she wanted to drift slowly on a calm sea where she would be the only inhabitant. She even goes on to imagine if she were an orphan. In that case, she would roam about the street in silence and freedom. She also wishes to be Rapunzel, though she would not let her hair down for anybody to climb up. This shows that she is fed up of the continuous scolding she receives from her mother. She wants to go away from her home to some place where she would not be constantly nagged and would be able to live peacefully. Question 5. Read the last stanza. Do you think Amanda is sulking and is moody? It does not seem that she is sulking, though she could be moody. She is completely lost in her thoughts and is not even listening to her mother. Her mother perceives her to be sulking as she does not react to her instructions at all. As Amanda does not listen to her, she concludes that she is very moody and continues to nag her. Question 6. Imagine you are Amanda. Write a diary entry in about 150 words on how you feel when mother supposedly nags at you. This is an extra question that can be asked as a value-based 8-mark question. In these kind of questions, you may get to write a diary entry. I will deal with this when I do creative writing. For the format, you will write day and date on the left-hand side. Below that, time. Then Dear Diary. Then you write your matter in about 2 paragraphs. And you sign off with Amanda. Write it on your own, and when I create a video on creative writing, I will give you the value points for this. That's all for now. I hope this video will be helpful for you to listen to the answers when you are moving around or when you want to have a revision of the answers. Stay joyful, stay blessed.